Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Zimbabwe's second lady, Minnie Thabo Chiwenga, set a throwback of a 2006 picture when she was still a major. It is exactly 20 years ago. In a post, she said, "How time flies. I found this photo in my mom's house and I think it's priceless." The photo is likely priceless to Minnie Baloyi because it captures a significant moment from her past, specifically her time as major in 2006. The fact that she found it in her mom's house might add sentimental value, making it a treasured keepsake and a nostalgic reminder of her accomplishments and experiences. Colonel Baloyi has a distinguished military career, breaking barriers for women in the military. A notable achievement was her deployment to Angola in the late 1990s as the first woman globally to lead a platoon in a peacemaking mission. This milestone earned her international recognition, including coverage in the Herald and a United Nations publication. Her military journey started when she joined the Zimbabwe National Army in 1996. She rose through the ranks, becoming a lieutenant during her deployment to Angola and later being promoted to colonel in 2019. Today, she is an inspiration to young women in the armed forces, showcasing determination and leadership. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.